Correlation between MRI and ultrasound findings in rotator cuff tear of shoulder joint for accuracy assessment of diagnostic tests. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) is a fine modality in diagnosing rotator cuff tears (RCT). With the speedy development and advancement of technology of ultrasound, rotator cuff tears have ameliorated significantly and reached levels comparable to MRI. The aim of the study is to assess the accuracy of ultrasound for the diagnosis of rotator cuff tears with respect to magnetic resonance imaging, to identify partial thickness rotator cuff tears, full thickness rotator cuff tears and tendinopathic changes, and to evaluate the sensitivity and specificity of US in diagnosing them with respect to magnetic resonance imaging. It is a prospective study conducted at the Department of Radiodiagnosis in Narayana Medical College and Hospital, Nellore. A total of 30 patients who were suspected of having rotator cuff tear or tendinosis and planning to undergo an MRI of the shoulder were included in this study. Shoulder ultrasound was performed either before or after the MRI scan on the same day. The findings of ultrasound were compared and correlated with the findings of MRI. The study included 23 male and 7 female patients. The highest number of cases was found in the age group of 18 to 30 years, with a total number of 12 cases accounting for 40%. The majority of the cases, 19 cases, presented with the duration of symptoms between 1 to 6 months, constituting about 63.3% of all cases. The sensitivity, SN, specificity, SP, positive predictive value, PPV, negative predictive value, NPV, and accuracy for diagnosis of rotator cuff tear were 93%, 73%, 77%, 91%, and 83%, respectively. Sensitivity, SN, for diagnosis of rotator cuff tear was good and had a higher negative predictive value, NPV. Consequently, the operator of ultrasound, even though having a short tenure of experience in performing an ultrasound of the shoulder, had good sensitivity in diagnosing tears and was able to eliminate them with sureness. The study was limited by the involvement of a single ultrasound operator. Further research is recommended to assess the diagnostic accuracy of multiple ultrasonography operators with varying levels of expertise in detecting rotator cuff tears. Introduction. The rotator cuff is a group of muscles in the shoulder that help with movement and stability. Tears in the rotator cuff are a common cause of shoulder pain, especially in older adults and those involved in heavy work. These tears can occur suddenly after an injury or develop gradually over time. While some people with rotator cuff tears feel no symptoms, others may experience pain, weakness, and limited movement. Doctors usually start by using X-rays to check for problems, but X-rays often appear normal even when a tear exists. MRI is widely used to detect these injuries, but modern ultrasound technology has improved significantly and can now provide similar results. However, the accuracy of ultrasound depends heavily on the operator's skill and experience. This study looks at how well an ultrasound performed by someone with limited experience can diagnose rotator cuff tears compared to MRI, the current standard. Conclusion. SN, sensitivity for diagnosis of rotator cuff tear was good and had a higher NPV, negative predictive value, Vedraju and Reddy, 2022. Consequently, the operator of ultrasound, even though having a short tenure of experience in performing an ultrasound of the shoulder, had good sensitivity in diagnosing tears and was able to eliminate them with sureness. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.